Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make light rays in Adobe Photoshop. So light rays coming from a window and stuff like that. It's a really easy effect, so keep watching. Right, so the first thing we got to do is select the highlights, so this window, and we're going to do that by going to select, color range, and here you select highlights. You can then play around with these slider to select it properly, and you press OK. You're then going to press Command J to duplicate your selection onto a new layer. So you're going to go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. You're going to select the angle by rotating this. You're going to select the angle you want your light rays to go in, and then you can select the distance you want. So we're going to try and follow the direction of the window. So probably something like this. And press OK. You're then going to add a layer mask, and with the brush tool, select a soft brush. And you're going to paint it away from where you don't want the rays to be. So they have to start from the window. And there you go. Pretty cool, huh? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment what you'd like to see next. Follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, where I post shorter versions of these same tutorials. Be sure to check my website out, where I have some prints available and these really cool hats and some other clothing items. I'll see you tomorrow.